going on, guys? I'm out here at Hall Ridge, and as most of you guys know, herping in the dog days of summer is a difficult and tedious task, but I'm hoping that today, hitting it up early in the morning, we'll be able to find some pretty nifty stuff. And if you're brand new to herping or this channel, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and while you're doing that, we're gonna get to finding some herps. Guys, what it looks like we have. Thanks, bro. Hopefully this guy will stay still. But guys, the reason that I'm doing these long shots of these turtles, because I'm seeing them out like crazy, and that's mainly because in the summertime it gets so hot early in the mornings like this. Right when the sun's starting to peak up, that's when these bugs start moving, these fish start going crazy over these bugs. And then these turtles start going crazy over these fish, and all your other herps like snakes and stuff like that will also go crazy. Okay, he's gone. Really? I can't just do a single clip without a herp just running away and interrupting it. Okay, well, what I was trying to say is these bugs start moving early, these fish start going crazy. It's what I see fishermen all the time talking about in the summertime, going out early in the morning or late at evening, because these fish are starting to go crazy over these bugs, and the fish therefore draw in these turtles and other herps. That's why my #1 tip for you guys that's going to help you out of your herping funk, whatever species you're going for, study out the food source. Study the food source, because when the food starts to move, that's when your snake or your turtle or your lizard, whatever the herp is you're going after, that's when it will start to move also. So you study out the food source, you get a good plan on when it's moving and everything else like that, then your chances of finding some cool herps are a lot better. Prime example of what I'm talking about, guys. I just walked up on this dude. Beautiful northern water snake. You see that bass? He's checking them out. These bass are up here schooling, eating all these bits of food that are up here, these baby fish. And this guy is doing the exact same thing. He's doing his little periscope thing outside of the water, and what that means basically, guys, is they'll have their body on the ground, they'll lift up their head. So if he sees anything, if I move, which I literally am 2.5, 3 feet away from this guy, maybe, and I just stopped and looked down and saw him. So he's kind of relying on his camouflage right now. He knows I'm here. There's no way in hell I'd be able to catch this guy. He would take off way too quick. So, but he's up here feeding on these little fish like these bass are doing, because these little fish are up here feeding on these bugs. So boom, theory put to the test and proven true. I love science. I suppose I can get out. Look at that head. It just kind of goes down his whole body. Look how thick. I mean, look how thick his whole body is. It's absolutely ridiculous. All the way down to the tip of the tail. Surprised that with all these people walking around that he has not just been spooked, but we got a snake on the board, so that's good. Now I'm gonna walk the rest of these waterways, see what else I can find. Wow. perfect example, guys, of why snakes are not out to get you. This dude's chilling right here, right? I'm standing here filming him, and these people just walked by, and he's still just posted up, not moving at all. He's waiting for these little fish to come up here around this foliage right here to start feeding on some of these bugs. And it looks like by the size of him, he's already gotten some good meals in him, so obviously what's doing it, it's working for him. I might be able to catch him though. I'm gonna see. Might as well give it a shot. Straight off that way. Dang. Well, we tried. See, as the sun gets higher and it starts getting hotter, which it is doing, noticing a lot less activity around the water's edge in the middle of the river. These bugs are a lot less active than what they were 30 to 45 minutes ago. And so that's causing the fish to not be as active feeding on them, and therefore the food source is going away. Then the herps are going to be harder to find. So what that's telling me is that I need to go into a little bit further into the woods, find some waterways in there, because all this stuff is out in the open. You know, that sun heats up, boom, the herps can easily just overheat. They get too hot and then they just book it, and you know, the food source isn't out. So got a couple more spots I'm gonna give it a shot at, but hopefully we'll find something. Guys, I'm just walking along here, and it looks like the snakes and the fish aren't the snakes and the bass aren't the only thing they were looking for something to eat. As I look up, because I hear a big flap of wings. That's one vulture, two. Oh, look at him. He's got it scoped out. He is checking it out. 3. Where's that other one at? Where'd he go now? 4 is somewhere. There he is. 4. There's a 5th one right below him. The 6th one up in this tree making all this ruckus. 6, 7 vultures that I can see right now. Holy crap. Well, I didn't end up finding anything out in the woods, but hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hope it helped you out and some tips for summer herping. If you're brand new to the channel and you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Give this video a like as well. And don't worry guys, here soon, I'm going to be coming back out here at night to show you the flip side of herping in the summer.